Get in, loser. We're gonna go get a GPU. GPU day, bro. GPU day, my boy. My boy got a quarter zip with a match on the other. Ah, but you still, you hear me? We getting a GPU today, my boy. You know what I'm talking about? What?
We're window shopping. We're not getting it. It's fucking crap.
No, we're copping. We're copping. 5070 and a monitor or 5070 Ti?
Tan barato, bajaron.
Ajá.
Una docena.
But you think I should do the 5070 y comprar un monitor o 5070 Ti? Más me mandó 300, más Valentine's. So tengo 300 más.
5080, right?
Oh, no, we're doing this 5070. It's either the 5070.
Prime triple fan 12 gigabyte VRAM 669.
669. So the budget.
Or Ti. I'm sorry, 5070 Prime overclock 760.
Nah, we go. For that, I'd rather get a Ti.
Yeah, true.
We got $900, chat. We got $900, but I'm trying to spend $600. So the Prime, the 670 Prime for $670. I mean the 5070 Prime.
They don't even have the regular non-overclock 5070 Ti.
They only got
Overclocked. That's
1,000. Yeah, it's looking quiet for the Ti. And prices of GPUs is. And we arrived. Micro Center.
I think that's OLED. Is it?
This MSI?
Yeah. Never mind.
750? Yeah, we good on that. Not bad though. This curve not bad though. Yeah. Bro, it went up. Look. Oh, that's overclocked though. Jumped a lot.
Cheapest one I think I have is over 1,000.
Ah, yeah. So never, didn't even look it up.
Yeah, $990.
For the 5070 Ti, Asus. I'd rather get the 5070 in them.
It's an MSI.
I got a question.
If you want to do Asus,
No, the Ti is better because you got more VRAM.
more gigabit. Asus is gonna be 1,010.
That's a lot. 5070 is 12 gig VRAM and the Ti is 16 gig.
You can get a monitor in a day.
You're right.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, he's spitting right
He
now.
he
He's speaking the truth, man. Throw that
he-
money on a nice monitor. Yo, why the little guy the most financially responsible?
The financial-
Hey.
He's smart. So
So this one,
what 5070 do you recommend though?
I'm gonna be real with you. I know you sound like you like Asus.
Yeah.
I have a Zotac one for $550.
That's what he was saying.
It's the same performance. I think I hooked you up the other day, right? With the fan.
Yeah. I got the AIO. Yeah, we've been
You guys roll together, huh?
Yeah, we've been coming for like two months, 3 months.
It's not a difference of performance, man. It's all the same chip inside, made by Nvidia. You're saving $110. If it was me, I would first buy a white card because I have an OLED PC. But if I didn't have an OLED PC, I would just get cheaper.
Zotac?
Yeah, same performance.
What about the heating and the cooling though? That's what I keep hearing.
Similar, man. It's 3 fans. Zotac's a good brand. They've been around a long time. They're just not as popular as Asus. It's because, you know why? Because Asus makes everything else. They make peripherals, monitors. They make all this other stuff. So Zotac just does graphics.
Yeah. You don't hear Zotac. You
Exactly.
know
Exactly.
Yeah, you know Asus because of the keyboard and the peripherals,
Exactly.
and
They're like a,
more of a household name.
exactly. But in terms of like performance, Zotac's been making cards forever. Like I said, if it were me,
I got a GPU for Max 5070 and a monitor. Oh, right there.
$692.
Okay. Thanks to this guy, I'm going broke in Micro Center. Thanks, buddy. You're making me go broke. Ah, finally. This fucking guy, man. Hold that down for me, my boy. Let me see that. Damn. 5070 boys.
TI.
Nah, we don't need the TI. We got.
Oh, yeah, just try to car, kid.
We're gonna give you three eyes.
A Max le gusta lo viejito.